Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very exciting topic for you, the REALME 11 4G LCD replacement. Whether you're a longtime REALME user or considering upgrading your device, understanding the importance of a quality LCD screen is essential for getting the most out of your smartphone experience. Let's dive deeper into the details. The REALME 11 4G features an LCD screen that offers impressive visuals, vibrant colors, and a wide viewing angle. If you've experienced issues such as a cracked screen, distorted visuals, or touch responsiveness problems, it might be the perfect time to consider an LCD replacement. Not only will it rejuvenate your device, but it can also save you the cost of purchasing a new phone. Why upgrade to a new LCD display? 1. Enhanced clarity and color accuracy. The high-quality LCD replacement ensures that every image and video you view pops with clarity and vibrancy. Whether you are binge-watching your favorite show or scrolling through your social media feed, a new LCD screen allows you to appreciate all the details. F2. Improved touch sensitivity. A new screen often comes with updated touch technology, making your interactions seamless. It's especially beneficial for heavy users who rely on their devices for gaming, browsing, and multitasking. Say goodbye to laggy responses and hello to seamless navigation. 3. Aesthetic appeal. Let's face it, a cracked or damaged LCD can detract from the overall look of your device. A fresh replacement restores the phone's sleek profile and makes it feel brand new again. 4. Cost-effective solution. Instead of spending hundreds of dollars on a brand new smartphone, investing in an LCD replacement is a smart and economical solution. Moreover, this service costs a fraction of the price of a new device, making it the perfect choice if your phone is otherwise functioning well. Easy installation process. Now, let's talk about the installation. Many users may feel intimidated by the thought of replacing their screen, but the process is straightforward and can often be done at home if you have the right tools. For those who are a bit unsure, a professional repair service is always a safe option. Here's what you can expect. To wrap things up, if you're looking to enhance your REALME 11 4G experience, an LCD replacement is not just a necessity, but a game changer. If you found this information helpful, or if you have any questions about the installation process, feel free to drop a comment below. And remember, give us a thumbs up, share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates and tips. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, stay tech savvy and keep exploring the world of technology.